Well, I think that one of the topics of the cross-cutting element that are emerging in different work packages and also is related to the synthesis in the work package 7 is the role of other groups that can be also instrumentally useful for the gender equality. In this case, there is a lack of the men and boys as agentic actors to achieve gender equality. And there is a lack because most of the research, for example, that focus on educational choices are focusing, for example, in how we can put women in STEM position, but there is a lack of men in other positions that are related to care work or other educational choices. It's the same for other work packages, that there is a lack of engagement of men and boys, and with the increase of the polarization between men and boys, when increase of the gap, even if ideological issues, when the girls are going to be leftists and the boys are going to be more right in Europe, it's important to try to engage men and try to engage in the feminist movement. One of the things that is also arising in the synthesis of the project is in which way we measure gender inequality. If we consider a cross-cultural and also an intersectional perspective, not all the cultures understand in the same way that Western countries or Europe countries understand gender inequality. So it could appear some incoherences in which way we measure gender inequality. So it's important to try to not only redefine what is gender inequality, but also understand what it means to each gender, to each cultural context, to try to have a shared understanding and to achieve not only in Western countries, also in other countries that are outside of the North Global. And connected to the intersectionality is the same of if we apply some the colonial lens. At the same time, if we don't apply the colonial lens, we cannot achieve also why they understand even the understanding of gender, the binaries of gender. And I think it's required also to try to promote more Europe gender projects like Horizon project that also count to other countries that belong to the global south and not only how we understand gender equality in the global north.